That is nice. It is 6:30 in the morning, and it is very foggy and misty outside because the temperature drops in the evening or night, and then sort of because the air is still hot, not the air, the ground is still hot, you'll get all these moisty conditions. Right now I'm on my way to a location that is super exciting, that I know about, that is basically the modern version of Stonehenge and Easter Island. So this is like an installation that have been done here in the southern part of Denmark. And I'm very excited to show you that because it is kind of a special experience. I hope the sun will rise here shortly. It's set to basically start rising now, and it will burn off some of that mist, so we will get some really nice drone footage. It is a bit far out on the country, so there's a bit of a driving here to get to the location. So I'll report back once we are airborne. So we are on location, and let's just try and fire up the Mini 3 Pro here, just to go and check out and see if we can find it. It's still very moisty this morning, as you can see. It's over there. You see it? This is kind of special. So let's just try and see if we can circle it. So you can see they are not done, all of them, but at least from the last time I was here, 11 of them are up. There's one missing there in one of the positions. It takes a long time to do something like this and to finalize it. To add a little bit more context to this location, in a field of the island of Lolland overlooking the Småland waters, a monument that combines sculptures and music in a landscape full of history creates a unique experience. The DODEKALITTEN, which means in Greek 12 stones, consists of 12 stone columns, each 7 to 9 meters high and each weighing around 20 to 45 tons, where the upper 2 meters are caved like heads, all facing the center of the circle that is 40 meters in diameter. Under the circle of sitting stones, a 12-channel sound system is installed, allowing spatial electronic music to play inside the circle daily from sunrise to sunset all year round. If you want to know more about the artist and the specific location there, I will of course leave a link in the description below. Maybe we should use the opportunity to go down so you can basically see each of the heads. I'm not going completely down, not that a sub 250 gram drone can do much damage to these. We're going down 20 meters height. Man, the descent speed is slow on this one. Let's just put it in normal mode. Zoom in. So they have very different expressions, and this one is not done yet. They are made from stone, as far as I have been told. That is imported from Norway. but these are like, I don't know, 5. Yeah, we can measure one to get an idea how high they are. But they are massive. This was a small one. Let's try with this one instead. See, I would guess they are around maybe 5 meters high. This is very, very impressive. And definitely worth going here if you somehow should end up in Denmark in the southern part. Let's grab a few photos here. Take this one. We switch it into A/B mode. I love the A/B. That gives me more options. Normally there's a lot of people out here during the daytime, so it's perfect right now. Just wish that the sun would have set in the background. That would have been nice. So I think a nice flyby here would be really cool. So if we do something like this, just keep the stick steady. You might as well fly the full battery once, when you're doing this, because you never know. See, there's nothing in the surroundings here. There's like a small harbor here to the left, down there. You can get some nice food if you want. There's a ferry that connects to some of the islands that are out there in the sea. But apart from that, there is nothing out here other than this really nice installation. Let's just go down and see if we can make one more where we fly around. I would really love to have one from a low angle here. 20 meters. So, and maybe a little bit closer. Like this. I don't know how that will work. But let's try it. We can always abort if everything goes wrong. And it's not further away than I can go and pick up the drone if something should go completely haywire. What about that? That is nice. Very nice. So this test flight was done with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and let's just see here. We have the latest firmware, and we are using the 1.11.4 app version, and everything seems to be working nicely. I think we're almost done. I think the last thing that we will do is to record some vertical video. And just do one, because we will get low battery here just in a second here. So Gonna just zoom in a little bit here, just to make the clip a little bit more interesting. I got the low battery warning. So do the zoom out again. But these clips are very, very easy. Very, very easy to make. And now we're getting company. So, back safe on the ground. So that was a nice flight, and I was very happy that I was capable of showing you this, because not many people know about this unless they have been to this specific region of the country. And it is quite unique and special and worth visiting if you are in my neck of the woods. What do you think about going to locations like these to show you stuff when I'm testing out drones? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I have another thing that I want to mention. Maybe you have noticed that I have removed all the shorts on the channel. This is an experiment that I'm doing. And I can also see from the statistics that you don't like them very much. So that's why I've decided to kill all of them and remove them, and I might create a separate shorts channel where I can upload these videos at some point so they can have their own life and cater for the audience that likes these kind of videos. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.